In life, you don't have to be very, very systematic. That is your role. But for which, oh, you have a goal that needs, today only you can attend, something which will happen regularly can be skipped. It doesn't matter. So don't worry, oh, if I miss one music class, what will happen? Nothing will happen. No school, no teachers, nobody is your master. They are all your servants. Though you call them as music teacher, the school teachers are called teachers or masters. They are not masters. You are the master because you are paying them. Understood? So who is paying? You are paying your teachers. So I keep telling all the teachers when I go to teachers training classes, I tell them you are the servants of your students. I am not your, because I don't take money from you, right? If I take money from you, I should listen to you. If I don't take money from you, I don't have to listen to you. That's why I don't take money, because I don't like to be servant of somebody. So take it light, enjoy. Every moment you must enjoy. That's it. I am doing it because I am enjoying. I am learning it because I am enjoying. If I am learning to write, see, today somebody from Bangalore, when I was looking at one of my page, I saw a message. I have a book on in the Kerala art forms. It is there in the blog. Rarely people would have seen it. All Kerala art forms, I wrote a beautiful article. Every art form is described there. So one dancer, I have seen her page. There are beautiful dances, and she does a lot of things. She may be a student of art. She wrote a message to me. She landed upon my book. It is impressive. Quite a lot of things I learned, which is useful for me in my academics and then my practices. I want to have a discussion with you. But that came to me maybe 1 month back, 40 days back. I am not regularly seeing my page. There are many pages, so some of the page I will not see. But yesterday I landed upon there. I sent a message. Yes, I am not regular here. You can contact on my number in case if you want. Then I added that page onto my present Facebook so that I will not miss such messages. No. So today morning I saw a message saying my examination is over. I don't require now. Understood. So there are a lot of people in this world, their interest is only exam. They want to write something. I am not like that. That's my problem. Isn't it? So you should not be like that. Exams will come and go. That doesn't matter. People have a lot of degrees. How does it matter? You want a PhD? There are a lot of people who will give doctorates for money. They don't even see your age. Got it? So degrees don't value. Certificates don't value. Completion is not important. Knowing, knowledge, understand. That most of the people don't have. But you have that ability. You understand things, right? Learn. So you need to focus wherever you are interested. It may not work every time. That doesn't matter. It will change.